Hi again. I'm here to teach you some simple chords on the guitar using only one finger. Okay, so here we go. Strumming only the three first strings of the guitar, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're going to strum down. Okay, and you're going to go to the 3rd fret. That makes a G chord. Simple. Okay, then if you go up here to the 1st fret, only strumming the first 3 makes a G7. Scoot your finger over to the 2nd string on the 1st fret, makes a C chord. Okay, so again, G chord, G7, and C chord. Okay, so those are the simple chords you can use for playing the guitar, and it gets you used to in case your fingers get sore or you're not used to playing the guitar. So those are simple chords, and remember, just the first 3 strumming. Just like that. Okay, hope that helps, and I'll give you some more tips in the next video. I will show you how to do some other simple chords using 2 fingers only. All right, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.